Hello everyone, and in this video I will review Monzo Bank and talk about the overview, its Monzo Save, customer feedback, Monzo plans and fees, Monzo saving account, how to spend money with Monzo, why you should choose Monzo, Monzo business account, Monzo business feature, Monzo Lite versus Monzo Pro, and Monzo pros and cons. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. Overview. Monzo stands as a challenger bank in the mobile banking arena, operating solely in the digital realm without any physical branches. Launched in 2015 under the leadership of Tom Bonfield, Monzo has garnered a substantial customer base surpassing 7.4 million users. Despite its digital nature, Monzo operates under a regulatory framework akin to traditional banks, adhering to criteria established by the Financial Conduct Authority. The accounts offered by Monzo come with the safeguard of Financial Services Compensation Scheme protection. In the unfortunate event of Monzo facing insolvency, customers are entitled to the restoration of up to £85,000 of their funds. It's crucial to note that this coverage specifically addresses the protection of deposited funds and does not extend to potential losses incurred through investments. Is Monzo safe? Yes, Monzo is safe and legit. The company boasts a notable presence on Trustpilot, accumulating over 29,000 reviews and achieving an average rating of 4.1 out of 5. Impressively, 84% of users have praised Monzo as either great or excellent. However, it's worth noting that some negative reviews highlight concerns regarding customer service and account closures. Customer feedback. The consensus from customer feedback is largely favorable. Monzo app boasts a commendable rating of 4.9 out of 5 on the App Store, while its Google Play rating stands at a solid 4.5 out of 5. The majority of reviews express satisfaction with the service. However, a subset of negative reviews tends to center around user experience. Some users report instances of sluggishness in the app, and others have encountered challenges in navigating the interface following recent updates. Monzo plans and fees. Monzo presents a trio of plans, commencing with the complimentary basic plan available to all members. While I primarily utilize the basic plan and temporarily upgraded for this review, I find it adequately meets my banking requirements. Monzo Plus and Premium, although offering additional perks, are not necessities. A notable drawback of the basic plan is the absence of free deposits, prompting me to rely on a separate traditional high street bank account for this purpose. Subsequently, I transfer the fund from that account to Monzo. Additionally, users subscribed to paid plans receive a holographic or metal card. Personally, I have a preference for the card accompanying the basic plan, although for general use the distinction is negligible. Monzo Saving Account. Monzo offers the flexibility to establish saving spots tailored to your savings objectives, functioning as distinct mini accounts or pockets. Although I endorse the idea of a dedicated savings account such as Marcus for managing your finances, these spots can serve as handy tools for short-term savings. Monzo facilitates the transfer of funds from your pots to invest, corporate, and investment banking. When the need arises, you can effortlessly transfer these funds back to your primary account with just a few taps. Furthermore, on the paid plans, Monzo has the capability to round up your purchases, allowing you to save more money. While this feature proves useful, you might also explore alternative options among the best automatic saving apps. How to spend money with Monzo? First, category. What stand out to me as the standout feature of Monzo is its automatic expense categorization. This functionality is the primary factor that drew me to Monzo, greatly simplifying the budgeting process and solidifying its position as one of the top-tier budgeting apps in the UK. For those subscribed to Monzo Plus or Premium, there is an added perk of customizing the categories. Personally, the default categories suit my needs perfectly. Each month, I can effortlessly transfer the total spending per category to my spreadsheet, which is a feature I truly appreciate about Monzo. 2. Card payment. Your Monzo card functions just like any other MasterCard. When making purchases at stores, you have the option to pay either contactless or by entering your PIN. Additionally, if desired, you can easily change your PIN directly within the app. 3. Withdraw money. In the UK, Monzo imposes a daily ATM withdrawals limit of £400 and a monthly limit of £5,500. To augment this limit on the free plan, consider making a minimum payment of £500 every 35 days to a Monzo account and maintaining at least one active direct debit. Receiving regular payments from the Department for Work and Pension or Department for Communities. Receiving a student loan payment every 8 months or sharing a Monzo joint account with someone. 4. Spending abroad. Monzo stands out as an excellent choice for travelers due to its fee-free structure. Within the AAR, you can withdraw up to £250 from ATMs in a rolling 30-day period. Beyond this region, the limit is £200, with a subsequent 3% charge. Frequent use of Monzo boosts your allowance, reaching £400 and £600 with Monzo Plus or Premium respectively. 5. Borrowing and loans. If you are considering borrowing money, Monzo provides various options. Loan application. You can apply for traditional loans. Overdrafts. Explore the option of overdraft facilities. Buy now, pay later, Monzo Flex. Utilizing the Monzo Flex scheme allows you to borrow funds and repay Monzo in 3 interest-free installments. For a more extended repayment period of 6 or 12 installments, a 90% interest rate applies. Monzo Business Accounts. In 2020, Monzo introduced business accounts catering to sole traders and companies. These accounts provide additional features tailored for professionals. Monzo offers two distinct plans for business banking. Monzo Business Lite access basic business banking feature at no cost. Monzo Business Pro unlock both basic and advanced business banking feature for a monthly fee of £5. Monzo Business Features. Both the Pro and Lite plans encompass a comprehensive set of features that characterize Monzo's offering. Business debit card. Access via both mobile and web platforms. Payment links for convenient transaction. Card payments facilitated through Stripe. Round-the-clock customer support. Free instant bank transfer within UK. Pods feature for segregating funds. Instant notification for real-time updates. Budgeting tools and spending categories. Digital receipt storage. And outbound international payment capability. In addition to these defining features, users benefit from fundamental banking functionalities such as a complete UK business current account, compatibility with Apple Pay and Google Pay, fee-free spending on international transactions, schedule management for payments, capability to deposit cash and checks. Monzo Lite versus Monzo Pro. You can create dedicated tax pots to allocate a portion of your income for future tax payment seamlessly. Monzo ensures you are well prepared when tax payment deadlines approach. You can utilize integrated accounting to share balances and transactions with ease. Export your data to PDF or CSV for convenient record keeping. Employ multi-accounting to grant your team access to the account, enabling transparency into expenditures. The invoices feature function similarly to PayPal invoicing. You can generate invoices effortlessly and dispatch them to your clients. Monzo automates reconciliation when payments are received. Monzo pros and cons. Pros. Simple setup with the mobile app. Abundance of useful features for individuals and business proprietors. 24/7 customer support. Cons. Restriction on deposits and withdrawals. Certain features exclusive to paid plans. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.